Hello, and welcome back to Learning English with Minecraft. My name is Kenzo, and in this series, I teach English while playing Minecraft. And it looks like there's a zombie in our garden right here. Get out of here! Die! Get out of my garden! So, if you watched my last video, then you know that I died and lost everything that I had. I died while searching for diamonds underground and lost everything. So I respawned in the village and I had to find my way back home. Well, I built some new tools and re-equipped myself. After dying in the last episode, I felt a little bit defeated. And I don't really want to go back underground and search for diamonds again. And to be honest, since the beginning of this series, have felt a little bit lonely. I built this house all by myself. I've gone exploring caves by myself. I've gone sailing by myself. I've had to do everything all by myself. So in this video, I am going on a quest to find a companion, whether it be a wolf or a pig or a chicken or even a fish. I'm going to find something to befriend. Let's see what I have that I could give to an animal. So I have some wheat. I think that sheep like wheat, and also maybe cows. I have a seed, which I could give to a chicken. What else? I don't have any bones. Dogs like bones, but I don't have any. Okay, well, I have carrots as well. I think that pigs like carrots. More carrots. All right, let's go search for a companion. Are there any fish down here? Not you. Oh no. I'm almost dead. I forgot to eat food to regain my strength. The creatures in Minecraft like to dance around these days. Copper. Fish. When there are a lot of little fish together, we call them a school of fish. A school of fish. There are some bunnies. Are there any animals here that want to be my friend? There's a horse. I think that horses like apples, and right now I don't have any apples. Hello, chicken. Do you want to be my friend? I'm going to give him some seeds. Here you go. And now he loves me. We're buddies. I'm going to call him Egbert. Egbert is his name. I'm going to take Egbert back home. Wherever that is. I'm a little bit lost. I think this way? No. This way. This way. Yeah, there's the tip. Let's go, Egbert. Let's go. I'm taking Egbert back to the house with me. Oh no! Come on! Egbert, come on! Egbert is a little bit slow, but it's okay. Almost there. You see, Egbert? You see? This is my house. This is where I live. That house is where I am taking you. Okay, Egbert. So now it's time we have to swim across the river. Swim, swim. Egbert is swimming. He's flapping his wings. Egbert swims really slow. You can do it, Egbert. Come on, come on. You can do it. Oh no. There's a zombie down there in the river. Right there. I can see him. He's holding a trident. Egbert is all by himself out there. Okay, I'm going to kill the zombie. Die, die, die. I did it. Egbert, it's safe now. Let's go. An egg. I got an egg. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Egbert. Come on. Almost. Come on. Egbert. Yay. Egbert is here. I'm going to close the doors. I'm going to close the doors. There you go. All right, Egbert. Welcome to the house. So I have two name tags. Two name tags. These name tags can be used to name things, like Egbert. I want to use one of these name tags to name Egbert. But in order to use a name tag, first I need an anvil. And to build an anvil, I need a lot of iron. Let's see how much iron I have now. I have 30 iron. I don't know if 30 iron is enough or not. Let's see. So I'll need 3 iron blocks in order to build an anvil. So each block of iron takes 9 iron ingots. And now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I am 1 iron ingot short. I just need 1 more iron ingot to put right here. 1 short. So I guess right now I'm going to sleep, and in the morning I'll go get 1 iron ingot somewhere. So for now, I'm going to sleep. All right. See you later, Egbert. I'm going to look for iron. See you later. All right. It's time to find 1 block of iron. I'm just gonna go down here. I think that I will definitely find some iron down here. I'm going to continue digging this staircase all the way to the bottom of the world. And maybe along the way, I'll find some iron to finish building my anvil. So, oh, here we are. This right here, this is bedrock. And bedrock is at the very bottom of the world. So that means I am at the bottom of the world. I can't go down any further. So here, I'm going to dig a tunnel this way. I haven't seen any iron. I think I might be too deep to find iron. I'm going to go back up a little bit. Okay. I've been here several times now. And I know that I've seen iron here. There's some iron. Finally! There we go. All right. I've got some iron, and now I'm going back up. I'm back up to my house so I can build the anvil. All right. And back up the long staircase. All right, it's nighttime. I'm going to smelt the iron into iron ingots. And while it's smelting, I'll sleep. Let's see. Do I have any sticks? No. But I can build some. I'm going to build more torches with sticks and coal. And now I'm going to light up all of this island with torches. A skeleton. I remember what skeletons did to me in the last video. Die! No! No forgiveness for skeletons. Some carrots. I'm going to eat some of these carrots. Our farm is producing a lot of food. I'm going to pick up this bone right here because I think in the future I will want a dog. I'm placing all of these torches so that this island in the night will be all lit up. If this island is lit up in the night, monsters won't spawn here. So I'm placing all these torches to make this area, this island, more safe in the night. I think that I'm going to plant bamboo all around the outside of this island. Like a huge wall of bamboo. All right, the iron has to be done smelting. Yep, iron. So now, 1, 2, 3 blocks of iron, and 1, 2, 3, 4 iron ingots makes an anvil. Anvils can do lots of different things, but right now I'm just using the anvil to make my name tag. So I am naming you Egbert. So I will type Egbert, E-G-B-E-R-T, right here. And now I have a name tag called Egbert that I can give to this chicken. There you go, Egbert. Now, this chicken is officially named Egbert. Hello, Egbert. I feel much better now that I have a friend in this world, Egbert. So I'm going to end this video right here. If you liked this video, you could click the like button or subscribe to my channel by clicking up here. And if you want to continue learning, you could watch my last video by clicking down here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!